Hello viewers, Fotoman here, and on the road again. It's a good song, isn't it? I guess it kind of relates to what I do, or try to do as much as I can. Anyway, for today, we are east of Edmonton at the Skaro Shrine, which was built in 1919. I will put the history of the churches that were here and is now here. The larger church is now here. And the history of the shrine and the grotto, as they call it. Below in the description, there's some very interesting reading there. But the shrine itself was built in 1919, and there was a small church, but the church has obviously been upgraded over the years. And the existing one, I believe it was 1960. But again, I'll put the history in the description. And as always, thanks for tuning into another video.